Cincinnati's South Fairmont neighborhood is home to MSD's largest combined sewer overflow. South Fairmont originally developed as a self-sustaining community with homes, vibrant industry and businesses, healthcare, and educational institutions. As the city grew, the landscape of the neighborhood changed. The sewer network became inadequate. To resolve this public health threat, several more tributaries of the Lick Run were enclosed within a large sewer pipe to move the waste away from the South Fairmont neighborhood. That 19.5-foot diameter pipe still remains today, running under 3,700 feet of buildings and streets. It is connected to CSO number 5, a relief outfall at the east end of Queen City Avenue that overflows into Mill Creek during heavy rains. Each year, about 1.5 billion gallons of combined sewage and stormwater overflow through this CSO. Of that total, less than 25% is sewage. The rest comes from stormwater drains and what used to be natural stream flow. The U.S. EPA has mandated that MSD capture and treat or remove 85% of the 14 billion gallons of combined sewer overflows. Project groundwork currently includes a $250 million capital solution for CSO number 5. This fix includes a tunnel deep underground that will store the combined sewage and stormwater flows and likely discharge to an on-site treatment facility with significant annual operation and maintenance costs. MSD is prepared to execute this plan. However, there may be a better and more sustainable solution. One that would be less expensive to construct, operate, and maintain, and one that would incorporate a brighter vision for the South Fairmont community, which currently faces high rates of foreclosure, vacancy, and property abandonment. Called Communities of the Future, this MSD vision integrates the mandate to reduce combined sewer overflows with urban renewal, economic development, and sustainable environmental solutions. MSD's Community of the Future solutions include removing clean water from the sewer while building community assets such as urban waterways and parks and green belts with pedestrian corridors that are linked to urban renewal and economic development.
At MSD, we are thinking about the solutions in two ways. Direct impact projects. These include projects that MSD builds and owns. This could include a high-rate treatment facility, installation of separate storm sewers, or a green roof on an MSD facility. We must use forward thinking out of the typical engineering box alternatives to achieve significant benefits for our ratepayers in the assets that we are building. Enabled impact is an approach that leverages the stormwater reduction benefits of projects that our customers are building or willing to build with some assistance or support from MSD. We've seen benefits from partnering on small-scale individual parcels, but if MSD can enable multiple partners or the communities themselves to envision a new way of solving wet weather problems, we can build communities of the future.
Cities such as Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Berkeley, California, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and Kalamazoo, Michigan have all implemented and linked sustainable wet weather solutions to urban renewal initiatives.
It was really a blighted area made up of underutilized buildings, kind of an area that nobody really wanted to come to. The Downtown Development Authority invested through tax increment financing $7 million to open the creek and design it. The city took the lead by indemnifying the developers, and that was about a $2 million investment by the city. And then the investors stepped forward with their development agreements by investing over $100 million. So $8 million compared to $100 million, pretty good return initially. I think overall at the end of this project, when it was completed in '95, we had seen total investment of $250 million.
The end result will be the promotion of a shared vision that not only reduces or eliminates combined sewer overflows, but also acts as a catalyst for urban revitalization and growth by addressing the long-term vision of the community. Let's work together to resolve the environmental, social, and economic issues faced by our community as we build the communities of the future.